Today, I will explain how to install a rear luggage rack on the Denzel Techno e-bike. To do this, we first need to unscrew these bolts. 2 bolts on the right side and 2 bolts on the left side. These bolts are plastic and unscrew easily. They don't serve any functional purpose. They are purely decorative. These 4 plastic bolts here. Next, we replace these plastic bolts with M8 steel bolts, which are included with the luggage rack set. We take the luggage rack and begin the installation. Installing the rack is very easy. As you can see, I am doing it with one hand while recording this video with the other. First, we screw in one bolt, then the second bolt on the other side, and after that we screw in the remaining bolts. Then, using a tool, we tightened all 4 bolts. The luggage rack is installed. Let's take a look at how it appears on the e-bike.